When does supply exceed demand in economic markets? Breaking news in the world of economics. The question on many minds right now is, when does supply exceed demand in economic markets? With recent shifts in consumer behavior and global events, understanding this topic is more important than ever. Let's break it down to see how this affects you and the economy. Supply exceeds demand when there are more goods or services available than consumers are willing to purchase at a specific price. This often leads to a surplus, pushing prices down to encourage sales. One major reason for this situation is overproduction. Companies might produce more than they can sell due to overly optimistic sales forecasts. This is common in industries like manufacturing and agriculture. For instance, if a cereal company expects high sales but ends up with excess stock, they face a supply surplus. Another factor is changes in consumer preferences. If people suddenly prefer electric cars over gasoline ones, demand for traditional vehicles drops, leading to an oversupply of those cars. Economic downturns also play a role. During tough economic times, consumers often cut back on spending. This can lead to a situation where supply remains steady or even increases, while demand drops significantly. Technological advancements can further complicate things. When new technologies emerge, older products may lose their appeal. For example, the rise of smartphones has decreased demand for traditional cameras. Global events can disrupt supply and demand as well. The COVID-19 pandemic, for example, altered consumer habits and disrupted supply chains. This caused many businesses to find themselves with excess inventory as demand shifted. To address situations where supply exceeds demand, businesses often take action. They might reduce production to align with current demand levels. Offering discounts is another common strategy to encourage sales. Some companies may also diversify their product lines to meet changing consumer needs. This helps them adapt to the market and reduces the risk of surplus. Understanding when supply exceeds demand is essential for both businesses and consumers. It helps businesses make informed decisions and allows consumers to take advantage of lower prices. Keep an eye on these trends, as they can impact your purchasing choices and the economy as a whole.